Hello traders, happy new year in advance. Hope 2024 is a very good, profitable and prosperous year for all of us. This is the pair rate between pound and United States dollar, and currently we are in yearly time frame, which means that each candlestick represents a year. So it is 2023, this one is 2022, and so on, so forth. Now, if you guys can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the last 8 years, if we consider especially, it is in a range operating in pips. If we say that it is ranging from around 4,000, 4,500 or 4,600 plus pips, and last year GBP performed worst, but in 2023, after having such a big shadow, it gained some space, some value against the US dollar. And currently, if we measure it again within this time frame, we can see that it has just reached the 50% of the total range. Can you guys see? Almost the 50% of the total range if you measure it now. 126.74 something, and it is just a little bit higher of it. So this year we got a lot of traction, and this yearly candlestick, the take is this, that it has not reached to 50% of the previous year bearish candlestick. Even if we consider the body, it is less than that. So I am expecting that there is a rumor in the market that all the central bank will cut their rate as the inflation is reduced. That is the change in fundamentals and so far. But as far as the structure is what we can see now, I am not very optimistic in GBP USD for the first quarter of the year 2024. So let's move back to monthly, and we can see that the range it has now reached to the double top area of the monthly time frame. If you guys can see, no, it failed, I think. Did it? No, it almost reached, but it failed. In December it started retracing back and getting started on the bearish side, so there is no reason for any double top. If we go to weekly, yes, we have an official double top in weekly, this guy. Okay, this is the place where it tried to break out, but it failed. So let's draw the weekly double top. Here is the weekly double top we have to cover the depth of the market here. Actually, this guys, I'm not considering, I'm considering this guy, this green and red, and it tried to break out, but it came back inside this red again. So this is the thing, it failed to break out this structure of this red candlestick, bearish candlestick, and getting bearish now, and such a big long twigs indicates a bearish trend. If you can see, guys, 1, 2, 3, and then it tried to went up and it got bearish and came down like anything previous. Then we are seeing the same effect here too, that this is a big shadow, this is a big shadow, this is a big shadow, and this is the end of the year. So let's mark it properly so we don't miss anything. This is the double top has formed. On the flip side, this was the double top has formed, and on the flip side, the double bottom has been formed from this red and green, this red and green. So let's consider this guy, this green guy here, Okay, and we can mark this area too with the same thing. Okay, this is the thing. So it moved the price. This uh, this created this bottom, and this bottom created this top. So here we can see that price tried to break out of this red candlestick, this bearish one, but it failed and it came back. So I am very much bearish with GBP/USD, at least for first 2 weeks or maybe the month of January. I don't expect it the upward traction at the moment. And if we go move to daily now, you guys can see that it is already created a, can you guys see, it has created a dark cloud cover on this, and we can clearly see that it has been created from here. This guy has created this thing, and again the price wanted to go high, and it has been pushed back in the last Friday, and it has been lost its traction moment on the bullish side. And if we see the retest of hours, we can see the red candlestick is below this line, and which is indicating, and this shadow is clearly an indication of being bearish, and it is a confirmation of that. So now my expectation is primarily that price will first come to this place, and we do not have any change of character yet. The first change of character I will treat is somewhere here or maybe here, and the break of structure will happen when the price comes down below this. I'm not going to take any bullish trade for GBP USD at the moment. No way. And if we move to 4 hours, it will be more. You see guys, this is very clear. We have a almost engulfing, not yet engulfing, we have a dark cloud cover. This guy, it came down, it went up and failed to break this top, then it has came down again. So this is the place where we should consider, and my way of thinking is plain and simple here guys. It will come here and retest once again, and then it will come to this place. This is the primary target, and then it will retest again, and try to break out, and it will come to this region. It will come, and this is the 124.99 or 125 is my target at the moment, and that is the thing. For GBP USD, I don't want to get bullish at the moment. I'm highly bearish biased for GBP USD. So far I can see this is the place where it should come, because in my RD analysis I have showed that it did form a cup yet, but to fulfill the cup and handle, at least it should, if GBP needs to get bullish, it needs to fulfill the cup and handle this region. It has to come, this should come to this region. Let me mark it for you guys for later use. So this is the region it should come, at least to fulfill the to get a higher traction on bullish side. So at least it should come here. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, click the like button, press the bell icon, and do share. All the new viewer, I would like to humbly request you, I need some subscriber guys. Thank you very much for watching.